Hey there, financial adventurers! Ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Because today I will be diving into the classic Rich Dad Poor Dad by the financial guru Robert Kiyosaki. So join me as we explore the wealth of wisdom hidden within these pages. So let's start to talk about what the hype is all about when it comes to Rich Dad Poor Dad. Because this book is more than just a guide to financial freedom. It's a life-changing mindset shift. And Robert Kiyosaki's story of his rich dad and also his poor dad has inspired countless of people to rethink their approach to money and wealth. So let's dive into the heart of this financial gem. Kiyosaki challenges the traditional notions of wealth and success. He introduces us to the concepts of assets and liabilities, and he encourages us to rethink our approach to money and investments. So now let's spend some extra time on the key takeaways because they are pure gold. The first key takeaway is the power of financial education. A Rich Dad Poor Dad underscores the importance of financial education. It's not just about getting a degree, it's about understanding money, investing, and building assets that work for you. The second key asset is assets versus liabilities. Kiyosaki's famous lesson on assets and liabilities is a game changer. He teaches us to focus on acquiring income generating assets and minimalizing liabilities. The third key takeaway is the entrepreneurial mindset. And this book encourages the entrepreneurial mindset. And Kiyosaki shares how his rich dad nurtured the spirit of entrepreneurship and created financial opportunities beyond the typical 9-to-5 job. The fourth key takeaway is embrace risk and learn from failure. Kiyosaki advocates taking calculated risks and learning from failure. He believes that true financial growth often comes from stepping out of our comfort zone. And the fifth key takeaway is the importance of taking action. And one of the most vital takeaways is this one, the importance of taking action. And Robert's book isn't just about theory, it's a call to apply these financial principles into your life. I also want to share something about Robert Kiyosaki's writing style because it's not just informative, it is a catalyst for change. He effortlessly blends personal anecdotes with practical examples and financial lessons, and it makes it all seem seamlessly, making it an engaging and actionable read. Rich Dad, Poor Dad resonated with me on a profound level. It made me reevaluate my relationship with money, and it inspired me to start building my own path toward financial independence. So would I recommend Rich Dad, Poor Dad to you? Absolutely. It is a financial awakening that challenges conventional wisdom and empowers you to take control of your financial future. So dive into this book and watch your financial perspective evolve. In conclusion, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is more than just a book. It is a financial revolution. It is an invitation to rethink your approach to wealth and to take charge of your financial destiny. So grab a copy, the link will be below this video, and let's embark on a journey towards financial freedom. Thank you, dear reader, dear listener, for joining me on this exploration of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Keep reading, keep learning, and stay tuned for more enlightening book reviews. Until next time, my fellow literally financially explorers.